All right, let me say it like this, just real. You ever notice how quickly we call something true just because it feels right in the moment? It's like it makes sense to us and we go with it. But our feelings shift, don't they? One day you're certain and the next day you're not so sure. And that's where this gets a bit deeper, because Jesus didn't just talk about truth, but he said, I am the way, the truth, and the life in John 14, verse 6. So now truth isn't just an idea floating around, but it's something steady and something that you can actually hold on to. And then he says, you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free in John 8, verse 32. So truth isn't there to box you in, it actually lifts something off you. But here's the honest part. Proverbs says there's a way that seems right to us. This means that you can feel completely right and still be off. So maybe truth for your life isn't about chasing what feels right all the time. Maybe it's about slowing down enough to ask, what's actually solid underneath me? And just think about that for a moment. And if you're in that place of figuring it out, just write truth in the comments.